And use your right signal. Awesome.
Brake.
That's great. Okay, let's make a right turn out of here. I'm just going to go right around the building. We'll come back to that same spot. We'll do the forward parking. After that, then we're going to head over to the road test center and get you registered.
That's cool. They have a drive-thru.
Yeah.
I guess I don't really.
Next year, I get my own parking space here at all the Rexalls.
Really?
Pharmacies, yeah. Seniors parking.
Ooh, fancy.
55. Yeah. Get a discount at McDonald's.
Really?
I think so.
Look at that.
I don't actually go to McDonald's. So I'll have to hit all the seniors discount places, so I'll figure out where they are. Okay, let's do the reverse parking. Near the front entrance, like where the doors are, there's designated spots. If there's any available, we'll back in there. And looks like we do have a space there, yeah. So a little further away from the bumper. Yeah, right on.
Okay.
Right in that space right there. Use your right signal.
Oh my.
The nerves.
I know, I gotta think. Oh my gosh, okay.